Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you like incredibly tasty food without all the fuss and hassle that goes along with it, then definitely hit that subscribe button, because that's what we do here. And today we're making Moo Goo Gai Pan. This is not only an incredibly amazing Chinese dish, but it is fast and oh so easy. Now, if you've cooked with me before, you know to go ahead and get everything out. Yes, it is mise en place time. So this is a very easy dish that comes together. It's very clean, it's very healthy. Honestly, the hardest thing about this whole dish is probably chopping the vegetables. But once you got that, it's good to go from there. All right, so the first thing you wanna do is take about a tablespoon of cornstarch and whisk that with 2 egg whites until it is completely and thoroughly combined. And then to this, we're gonna add our chicken pieces. So our chicken, you can use either chicken thighs or chicken breasts. I personally really like to use chicken thighs because they have so much more flavor. It's the dark meat. They do have a little bit more fat, but with fat comes flavor. So go ahead and mix that into your egg white and cornstarch mixture and come on up. Wash your hands after that. After dealing with raw chicken, definitely want to wash your hands. Now we can let this rest while we work on the rest of our Moo Goo Gai Pan. So we're gonna let this rest in the refrigerator until we're ready for it. Now for the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, sesame oil, and brown sugar. Pour this over the meat, stir it well until it's completely incorporated, and then pop it back in the fridge. Next, let's saute some veggies. Saute means high heat and low fat. So crank up the heat to medium-high and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. Then toss in all your veggies except the mushrooms. Sprinkle in a little salt and let them cook for 3 minutes. Now add the mushrooms and let these cook with the veggies for 5 minutes. Now that our chicken is rested and marinated, let's bring it back to the party and cook it in our pan over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes until it's completely cooked through. Then lower the heat and add the garlic and ginger and cook for another 2 minutes. In a small bowl, whisk together the chicken stock and 2 tablespoons cornstarch and pour this over the chicken and let it come up to a boil so it can thicken. At the very end, you can add your sliced chestnuts, maybe some bamboo shoots if you like those, and dinner is served. All right, so go ahead and make yourself a little steamed rice. If you'd like a good recipe for that, I will link to a little video we did on steamed rice that is so good. All right, let's go ahead and dish it up. And you can also top this with bean sprouts, if you can find them. We have a really hard time finding bean sprouts around here, but it is one of our favorite toppings for Moo Goo Gai Pan. And dinner is served. All right, let's test this out. Oh my gosh, this chicken is so tender, so juicy. So good. You can really taste that ginger and garlic. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of soy sauce. And a bit of it. There we go. You can fix it however you like it. So I hope you try this. Let me know what you think and stick around for some more videos, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.